Hey TikTok, YouTube, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while. I haven't really had to update you guys though. This has been a really simple move. It's something we talked about on June 27th on TikTok and YouTube. We mentioned quarterly ranges. We will review those. We're looking for this move specifically into this region. And here's the video. You can go back and watch it if you want. It's June 27th. You can see that I've got your quarterly ranges up, and these are your targets, right? And so all this was a range reclaim, and it's a range rotation. So a lot of people are looking for all-time highs. I do think if we claim 56,000, give or take 55, yeah, we could probably look up for some challenge of the highs and maybe even an all-time high. Let's take a look at our ranges though and make sure that we're keeping our head on straight and we're going into it. So we had this nice global POC shark, something that's been in my doomsday folder for quite some time now. We had our final 5-0 here. We had our shark into the 3-day. And we've even had a shark, the Richard shark right here, the overall shark with a move up. So really easy stuff. Very nice harmonics that are going into it, and this one remains valid. And this can actually go a little bit higher still. The Fibonacci expansions could take us all the way up to that 58K level, which would be great. 58,822, I believe, is the high there. And I've done even just thrown on like fib retracements. And you can see how well respected it is. We're coming up to the 886, and all this is a pull from the quarterly open and quarterly close previously, right? So very, very easy stuff. Gives you what you need. So let's look at our quarterly ranges and talk about why, even on the last dump, you shouldn't have been getting bearish because we were holding the overall range. You guys know I track ranges based on time and price. I've been tracking them on time and price for well over a year now, and it's just been the best way to go about it. And so looking at our POCs, you will see that we have some very interesting ones incoming. If I can get my charts up here, we'll talk about that. Oh, it's in the NPOC folder, isn't it? Yep. And there's our Q2 NPOC right here. So this is the area we're most interested in. This is the box. We're coming into that now. And last night during my live stream, I let them know that the biweekly SFP was the key level on the chart. I said, as long as this is holding, we will make our way up there. And you can see we came up to it and we even back tested it perfectly here. So really simple stuff, easy to trade, guys. You guys are probably following a lot of guys who've been telling you all kinds of things up and down, saying things like this is all a bull trap. And it's not a bull trap till it hits its volume-based targets. Volume-based targets are king, guys. That's all there is to it. Now, in terms of holding the lows here, you can see we came down and tested the value area low of our quarter three. But you could also look at this as a box. You could have just said, okay, this is a must-hold box in general. We had two of those step by step here, coming down and tagging the value area lows, basically just taking the value area low of Q1, Q2, and Q3. And there was an NPOC here on a weekly basis. Easy target, guys, easy trade. This is where things get interesting. I'll catch you in the next one.